Good morning. We are currently at the Lick Creek. No, where are we right now? Good morning. Currently packing out of the Lynn Creek campground, I believe it's called. We hiked just about 16-ish miles yesterday. We got whisked away, I think is the correct phrasing, to a community party in Ceres, Virginia, town of 300. They do it every month, and somehow we ended up there, and then somehow we ended up back on trail. So we night hiked 3 miles last night, got to camp about like 10-ish, was in bed by like 10:30, 10:45, bear hanged, got the tent set up and everything. Actually pretty impressed with myself. That's my first time night hiking, setting up camp in the dark and throwing up a bear hang all in the dark. So that was really cool, and honestly I think I might do it again tonight. It was actually really fun, and it was a nice way to get in a bunch of miles after taking a nice long dinner break. So I think me and Rifle are going to do that together tonight. That being said, not sure how many miles we're going to do tonight. I'm assuming it's going to be anywhere between 19 and 22. There's a shelter in 19, and we'll probably stop there, do dinner, and obviously depending on the time, and if we want to, we'll push on and do some night hiking and see how many more we can do. But today is sunny and beautiful. We camped right by this river. Got a good sleep last night, and hoping for some trail magic today. We'll see. But yeah, let's get going. Coming up on what's supposed to be a pretty decent river crossing. It's the Lick Creek crossing. Apparently, not even a week ago, it was waist deep. We've had some rain, but not a crazy amount of rain, so hoping that it's gone down. Scratch that, I know it's gone down. But I've got the Crocs ready, and we're all gonna cross together in a cute little band of fools to make sure that nobody falls in, loses their pack, or is generally dumb. Okay, so that's the river crossing. I'm here. We go there. Let's do it.
Have you got your packs unpacked and done?
No, I don't think it's too crazy enough.
I mean, if it sweeps you to the side, you need to be able to dump the bag. Okay. So, maybe knee height. Woo! There goes Rob! I mean, it is. It's getting deeper, but you're okay.
You are okay.
Remember Laurel Falls?
Yeah.
Like when you put your feet in, it's like, oh, this is the worst, and it got better because it's like,
Oh my god.
you know what I mean?
Oh my god.
One.
It's hot out here, folks. Glad it's a beautiful blue, sunny day, but once the summer really kicks in, whew.
See, I have to put up with. I've been here for 30 minutes. I go.
All of it's good.
Yeah, because I'm going to cook 3 more pounds. I'm going to take this, leave it on the ground. And
think I got everybody posted now.
Good evening. The last 2 days have been great days for making plans and then immediately changing plans. Original plan today was to hit 22-ish miles with some night hiking with rifle. Instead, we got Fresh Grounds, and Fresh Grounds was like, hey, if you guys do a bunch of dishes, I'm heading north anyway. I'll drop your packs off in 5 miles and I'll make you guys breakfast. So naturally we were like, heck yeah. So now, a little unexpected slack pack to end the day. Just heading, I think we only got like, I don't know, 2-ish miles to go. Then we're gonna post up, eat some pancakes in the morning. And today will only have been a 16-mile day. Just perfect. I'm not gonna try and make a plan for tomorrow because it'll probably change. But beautiful weather today. Just hiking up along this ridge and really, really full. Also, I want to give a big shout out to everyone who donates to Fresh Ground. He's a nonprofit and he works his butt off. And I have seen how happy he gets when he sees donations come in. So thank you to everybody who donates to Fresh Ground and helps to keep hungry through hikers fed. I can't even get to tell you how much of a difference it makes when you're out here and you're eating nothing but like candy and processed food, mashed potatoes and ramen. A hot meal made fresh, like, just revitalizes you. So thank you to Fresh Ground. Thank you to everybody who donates to Fresh Ground. And if you want to donate to Fresh Ground, the link to donate is in the description.
Clear. Here 4 south. Clear. Clear to roll out.